New at 5, Missouri's highest court is reviewing the defunding of Planned Parenthood. The case before the judge looks at the way the legislature removed Medicaid funding. Joe McLean sat in the state Supreme Court today as the two sides argued over this case.
This lawsuit is really all about the most recent budget adjustment by the state legislature, which is heavily controlled by a Republican majority. Now, those lawmakers wrote in that supplemental budget that any provider that offers abortion services will get 0 Medicaid dollars. And they say there's really only one provider that does that. Planned Parenthood sued the state of Missouri, arguing it was unconstitutionally denied Medicaid funding for which it's eligible. A lower court ruled that the state had violated the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. The state appealed, saying the legislature has the power to decide on public spending.
Planned Parenthood has no constitutional right to receive funds from the state of Missouri. Nobody disputes that. The only question is how the legislature can, in fact, pass an appropriations bill that denies them funds.
But attorneys for Planned Parenthood say state lawmakers were unfairly targeting this one organization as a provider of abortion, even though almost no abortions are legal in the state of Missouri.
For this particular case, we're not talking about abortion. We're talking about birth control, STI testing and treatment, cancer screenings, all the other services, and that's what we want to provide, and that's what our Medicaid patients deserve to get.
The Solicitor General said it's not the state's fault that Planned Parenthood is the only provider that meets this certain category. It's unclear when the Supreme Court will issue its final decision, but it will determine if Planned Parenthood will receive a share of Medicaid funding. In Jefferson City, Joe McLean, KY3 News.